All right, guys. So I got the carburetors back on, new gaskets on the bottom there. Hopefully the top ones are okay. Linked and synced, everything's good to go. This thing was way out of whack. The guy really had the timing all fudged up, and my thing was cracked, so I zip tied it to hold it tight, and it seems to be good. And I actually had to cut this shaft, this piece, the shaft inside of there, because when I was threading this in to get the right distance between here, it was bottoming out, and it was bottoming out and hitting the inside of that. So I had to chop that shaft off about a 1/4 inch and got it right where it needs to be. New rollers. Luckily, Marina, about 30 minutes away, had both rollers, so I was able to replace both rollers today, and the gaskets. So I was real stoked about that. Got throttle cable off right now. Not gonna worry about that. Intakes are closed, completely closed. I'm not even gonna worry about hooking the throttle cable up at this moment in time. I'm gonna fill a trash can full of water. I got a big trash bucket. I want to put it full of water and set this sucker in it and try to start it. I'm gonna record it this time, and hopefully it doesn't take off and I have to do some stupid shit to get it to run right. But yeah, that's it. So I'm hoping the gas don't leak out everywhere anymore, and I'm hoping it idles like it should. I need the timing light to fine tune the timing if I need to. I'm hoping I don't have to go that far, but my buddy's got a timing light he's supposed to bring me later on. So yeah, that's what happened. There's this loose spark plug from when I had to take it out. That was stupid. But I'll get this thing back together, fill that bucket full of water, and I'll record it. So, all right, we're filling the water up right now. It's probably got enough in there. Go a little more with it, but oh my gosh, I should have just hooked it up to a hose. I forgot I have that freaking connector. I'm an idiot. Oh well, it'll work. And get this thing started. Well, keep your fingers crossed that it doesn't go to the moon. Let's see what happens. Here we go. I'll set you guys up. Here goes nothing. Okay, it sounds like it's running one cylinder. That's not good. Hopefully I didn't blow it up. Oh, please tell me I didn't blow it up. I'm still leaking freaking gas. What? Are you kidding me? How? What the fuck? Fucking from everywhere, like. Jesus, what the fuck? Fucking everywhere. Oh my god, just fucking the bottom of the fucking hose where it connects? Fucking gas everywhere. Jesus criminy. What a joke. Let's try this again. Well, it runs, so that's good. I don't know if the water pump's working. It doesn't really look like it. Well, it's leaking gas out of the intake of the, like where the gas comes into the carburetor, so it must have a hole from there. I mean, this guy's got fucking zip ties on. That's just pissing gas everywhere, dude. Jesus criminy. So it definitely needs some fine tuning and some more freaking work, which I was not expecting to have to tear the damn carburetors back off, but here we are. But it runs. So that's good. And I didn't blow it up. We gotta fix this gas issue though, because that should not do that ever. I don't know if the bottom one's doing the same damn thing, but we gotta work from the top up. So that's where we're at. We'll let you know.
I'm gonna let people know that the dung beetle came here to run. No mercy, okay?
What the fuck?
Yes!
Oh fuck, there he is! Oh! So that's how you got back there. Wow. It's pretty good. Alright, getting the wiring all cleaned up. I had to put a new battery in it. That one was from 2022, which this one is too. But this one still holds some voltage, but it was at 12, but I'm gonna put the trickle charger on it and put 2 amps on it for a couple hours. But yeah, getting the wiring all tidied up, wired up the fish finder, had to redo all that. That's good to go. Turns on. I need to get another battery though for my accessories. But then, you know, I gotta tidy these wires up here, you know, zip tie them up and then get them up in there. It'll be good to go. And this going on. Just turn the key on. So, should be pretty good. Pretty good time. After we get all finished buttoning everything back up. Dog's been sleeping on it. He was crawling all around here, back inside the transom. It's pretty funny. I have to put the cover on here, the windscreen. Just like that. Put some screws in it. Call it a day. So, just like that, man. It's coming together, guys. Need to get my stickers on it yet, but that's what we're dealing with. Get the seats cleaned up and the carpet vacuumed yet, but not bad. Won't take me too long to do that stuff. I've been watching Street Outlaws while I've been doing this stuff, so it's a nice relaxing Sunday. We got the Mustang all done actually too. That was a pretty nice little project. All right, we're getting the boat all finished up here. All we gotta do is vacuum. We got the front deck vacuumed right now. I'm having a beverage. So, looks pretty clean. Looks pretty clean, but we got the rest of the boat. Looks pretty damn shitty back there, but yeah, that's what we got. Let me flip the camera around here and I'll show you what we got going on. All right, guys, the final result of the boat. Gotta put my numbers on it yet, but I'm not worried about it right now. It's all cleaned up. All done up, cleaned up, washed, swept, everything. Rewired a bunch of shit. Buffed it up, polished it. Motor tuned. I gotta rebuild the water pump yet. I'm waiting on the parts, but it will be good. Yeah, this thing is, I got the fish finder working and to rewire it. Depth finder works, fucking, yeah. This is ready to go, boys. Still got cotton everywhere. Guys, it's ridiculous out here, guys. I just got done wiping it back down. But yeah, there it is. The thing cleaned up pretty decent, I suppose. Took a lot of work, a lot of elbow grease, but I'm pretty happy with it. I need to get another swivel seat there. That guy broke it off, so. But yeah, that's it, boys. Pretty good. Not bad for a 1996. And just to prove it to you boys, I'll fire it up. Go, baby. Ready for the water. Let's go catch some fish.